Have ourselves an Xbox One X. No video output, so they're saying. They've already tested the drive. This is from another shop. Let's look at the HDMI ports. Looks fine, but we will inspect it closer once we get it out of the housing. However, I'll show you what it's doing. Let's grab HDMI. And HDMI out. Grab my power. Power it on. As you can see, it is powering on. We'll switch over to capture. And we're getting a big fat nothing. So no video output. We'll inspect. So what I'll do is we'll disassemble. We'll inspect the HDMI port. But I highly suspect at this point that is the retimer, so we'll probably end up having to do the retimer. Anyway, we'll be right back. Okay, we're out of the housing now. Let's take a look around our ports. I believe this eye is the out. Grab my final ones. Everything looks okay. It's not loose in any way. Not damaged in any way. I don't see any bent pins. Check them both just in case I have the wrong one. Anyway, check the things in between just to be sure. Switch you over to scope. I'm checking them both just in case I have the wrong one. Okay, everything seems okay there. I think there's really anything to check on the other side. Not really. Alright, so we're going to go out to the retimer. I don't think there's anything wrong with that port. If the retimer doesn't work, then we'll obviously have to change the port. Anyway, but for now it's retimer. cleaning before I put it back in the housing. But let's do a final on-screen inspection. And weirdly, I'm going to be able to show you the final results. Looks like the shop is going to be giving me the whole console. This shop is. It's good. No bridging. Everything's lined. Let's get one more time over here. Alright, everything looks good. Yeah, everything looks good. So I'm going to clean it up a little bit more and then we'll assemble it enough to, well, reassemble it enough to test. And we're back. Okay, we have it assembled enough to test. So let's give it a try. Okay. Well, let's check and see if we're getting any video output. Ta-da! There we go. We're getting a boot up and video output. So it looks like it was the retimer. I cannot run it through a million tests, unfortunately, because I don't have a controller here with me. I did order one, but it's not here yet. So we'll go ahead and let it boot up. Okay, you are connected, not connected to the internet. All right, very good. All right, that's really all I can show you. I don't have, like I said, I don't have a controller to run through all the tests, but there was no video output. Now it has a video output, and that was the job on hand. All right, appreciate you watching. If you have any questions about the equipment I use, it's all down in the description. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when I'm posting new stuff. Thanks for watching. See you next time.